Hello everyone, this is my 2006 Nissan Selfie. So the problem I'm having with this car is the electric seat doesn't work properly. See, if you can see, it's binding one way, so the other side the gears are not working. So what it's doing is going on an angle and it sort of like jams itself. You can see there. So a couple of years ago I had the same issue. I changed some parts under the motor, the linkage for it, but it's come back to haunt me again. So let's quickly have a look what's going on underneath. So put this cover out, and as you can see just down here, so that's the motor. And it's got gearing this end and gearing that end, and this is the plastic. It's like a plastic shaft which connects both ends. So when it's powered up, they both work together through the gears going forward, backwards. So if I have a look, so it looks like this end is working, but the other end, there's something wrong with the link connects to the gears. I'll take this piece off, have a look inside, see what's going on. So what I've done here is I've taken the motor out. So this is the link which connects on the other side. So both sides drive together, forward and backwards. Look at it here, there's no damage on the gears, same as on this side, and the motor is working fine. So that's working fine. And if I put it in, try to drive the other end, see if I can do it with the camera in my hand. So that's working fine as well. In the gearing in there's no damage. It's like a warm gear, but there's no damage in it. I wonder if something is stuck in the channel down that side, which is preventing it from driving. One more thing I can do is if I it's back in there, see if I can drive it just one side. So that's locked in there. Bring the motor back and just try to drive one side. It's probably not gonna like it going through an angle, but might be just enough to see what the problem is. So if I leave the camera there, what I can see so far is this the gears on the rail is not working properly. It's sort of like binding. I might take the seat out and have a look is something stuck under the rail which is preventing the gears to drive through it. That might be one reason it's not going forward backwards. Check this place out, guys. I'm into car worker now. So this place here, the entry fees is $2, and then you grab your own tools and take whatever, dismantle, take whatever part you need, and then just pay for it up in the counter. Only bad side is there's no refund, so guarantees. So you might get lucky or you might not. All right, this is, I think, Nissans here. All right, I'll keep hunting till I find the right part I need. All right, So, situation update, guys. I couldn't find an electric seat. So this one, the vehicles I found was manual. The whole sizes match, hopefully. So I can just replace the electric one with manual. Everything seems to be in the right place. So hopefully this will work for me. All right. All right, guys. I'm on to plan D now. So this was the original electric one. I couldn't find a replacement for it. So what I got here is the manually hand operated one. Hopefully this will fit. The mounting ball should be same. I did measure it up. It was really close. I'll put it in and we'll see how it goes. All right. I've got the rain coming, so I'll probably have only half an hour to do this. All right, let's get into it. So if I leave the camera here, make some space. Might be lucky here. The front both are in. Okay, what about the back ones? The back lines up there. Those lines up here. For it. So hopefully, I'm not pretty sure how it goes. Something like that. It should go up there. I got slap back. Up there. Be in business. That there. Just for lifting up. Boom. Finish with the plastic covers. How was that? There's one thing, this wire here, so that's the controls, and I think that's for the seatbelt light, so I need to fix this guy up. Which way are you going? Yep, that's in there, that can stay there. Oh, this covers, that cover goes there. Here's the other one. Is it at the back? Oh no. Broken. All these plastic crap's shit. So, They just keep breaking. No issue there. Alright. Don't need this. Don't need this old motor electric crap. Motor's still fine, still works. See all these bits. Let's go check the seat belt. Yep, seat belt works. Some rubbish in there. Rubbish spin parts. This is from the whole ones. Oh, did I break it? Nope. Lucky, saved. Yeah, don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but there's no point spending time on it. It's electric crap. Must have spent like 2-3 hours in the morning trying to get it going. Still couldn't find parts and records. Manual one is straightforward, no issues. So I can just lift it up. Forward, backwards. Yeah, boom. This is a nice and quick fix. Plan D, but it worked. Right. Thank you for watching. Yeah, hope I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, thank you very much.